Okay, so in this next video, I'm gonna continue with the top lid and fix this up. But before that, I'm gonna grab the bottom. I'm gonna press H as in Henry for the bottom cube. Make it go away. Alright. And I wanna, oh, by the way, if you see this, right, you see how this is just a glitch. So I'm gonna go on attribute editor and this area, and then I'm just gonna cancel and click outside, right? Or this one, click outside. It just needs to refresh. I don't have to reload it. It's just it's dumb. I'm gonna grab all of it. I'm gonna press H. I want to hide it for now, and my grid, right? I'm also gonna hide my grid because I don't like looking underneath like that every time. So this guy is your grid. Hide it. So next, I need to select it, right click, vertex mode, and just like the previous model, if I try to move things around, it's not, those seams down this line where I did the duplicate special, it's not merged, even though you combine it. So just like in the previous video, I'm gonna go select everything in the midline, right? And I'm gonna do shift right click, merge vertices. Don't let go, do not let go, right? Merge vertices, and I have my options set right here. Remember, if you don't have this, make sure you have this, and apply. And it changed. So now if you say select 2, you should only say 2. Because if it was not working, it would say 4. It would double up. Grab all of that. Press Q, hide the tool for a bit. So 5, good, exactly. Okay, so that part is good. Now, I can't use fill hole just yet. Don't mind this. That's just the floor. But you just don't see the grid lines, that's all. Now, this part. I can't use fill hole, because if I do that... Oh! Huh. Weird, it works. Okay. So, I did a fill hole, but let me undo that. Alright, there's some other things I want to do, so I did just Control Z to undo. And I want to show a tool called bridge, because I'm going to bridge across from here to here. So I'm going to right click, edge mode, right? And this part I want to turn on my symmetry again. So I want to do a symmetry and going here to here, this way, right? Going like this. So going like this across, that's let me try Z axis. I know X is not gonna work. See? So object Y is not gonna work. Yeah, see? Y is not gonna work. I'm gonna try Z. Okay, see, Z works. So it's gonna mirror. Anyway, so I'm gonna grab that and that. Alright, grab the other side for me. Hopefully you can see. Now I'm gonna also grab this. I'm gonna hold on Shift, grab that. Alright, press 4. So you can see that line over there. Press 5. I'm gonna do a bridge. So I can go Shift, right click, right, bridge, and I'm in edge mode. Boom, good. And the next thing I need to do is I want to bridge here and here, and I'm going to do a symmetry on the X, because whatever I want here done. And I think I mentioned in the previous video why I use symmetry sparingly. That's because there's times where it's not going to work randomly, or you forget to turn it off, or you forget to turn it on. And yeah, that's the reason why. So I'm going to click, right, that guy right there, right? See how the other side lit up? I'm also going to grab him. So now shift, click, press 4, just to make sure nothing else selected, right? Nothing else. Press 5. I'm flipping over. I'm on the bottom, facing the back. Shift, right click, bridge. See? I'm going to just click out here. But I'm still in component mode. I want to get out of the component mode. So right click and hold, object. Now I want to turn this off. Okay, now I'm going to do a fill hole. Shift right click. Are you here? Is it here? Oh, right there, fill hole. Sometimes you just gotta find the tool. Right there, good. We'll do an incremental save. Control Alt S, incremental save. Right? Channel box, click that tab. See? Here's our history. Okay, so far so good. Now, grab that. Right click. Face. I'm gonna grab that face, hold shift, grab that face, grab that, and that. Okay, press 4, just to make sure I don't grab anything else, always double check. Press 5. Now, I'm gonna extrude up, because if you just try to push it up, see what happens? It breaks it. So I'm gonna go shift, right click, extrude, face. Here's our little gizmo. I have to carefully grab the arrow. Don't grab here anywhere like that, just at the tips. Oh, interesting. Let me zoom in here. What are you doing here? What is this? Is this normal? This does not look normal. Oh, wait a Okay. Let me just, I'm just yanking on it to see if it's okay. Don't do this. Just me looking to see if there's anything wrong. Undo, undo, undo. Alright, let me just check something out. Oh, what the hell? I thought I merged everything. Press 4. Oh, no, okay. Okay. Alright, so the reason why it's acting up is because, so I'm looking here, looking inside, undo. You see this face, and this, and you see this face, and this. They're touching the other side of the wall. That's too close. Right, it's too close. So this skin is touching this skin, and that's why it's giving this ugly looking feel. Alright, so that's what that was. I need to fix that. I'm gonna go Control Z, Control Z. So at least you got to see what I was doing to figure out. Yeah, I didn't know it was that close, where when you push this down, it's gonna touch that skin. So I just undid everything, and I know that I undoed just enough, because when I look in my construction history, it doesn't show extrude, right? Because if I didn't undo enough times, it will still show extrude, because I don't want to have extrude on there. So I'm gonna click outside. I gotta figure out what to do about this. I mean, what I can do is go to edge mode and grab that, right? Maybe I'll turn on symmetry. Let me find out where I am. Here's my front, right? So I'm gonna grab object Z, basically so I can grab the other side. Just makes things a little bit easier. And then grab that and grab press Q, hide the tool. Let me turn off the symmetry for now. I'm gonna grab that one, that one. Press 4 just to make sure nothing else has been selected, right? And you gotta take a look at that tan colored line. So I'm gonna press, I wonder if this will work. If I press R, I'm gonna just scale it in a bit. This card is for constrained scaling, but I could just grab the middle. Right, so I'm gonna grab it, squeeze. Basically, I just made it deeper, the footprint, so that when I push up, this skin, this line is not gonna touch this line or this line. The walls are not gonna touch because I shrunk it in volume wise. Okay, so again, you grab all those edges, you press R for scale, and you just grab this middle so that you can just squeeze it in a bit like that. See? So I just squeeze it in a tad bit, you know, just a pinch. And now I'm gonna go right click face mode. I'm gonna grab this, press Q, grab that, just those. Press 4, make sure I don't have anything selected. Press 5, press W, then shift, right click, extrude. Alright, here we are, back again. Grab the up arrow, carefully grab it, and you'll notice I don't have that annoying discoloration, because this wall and this wall, they're not touching each other. I'm gonna press the space bar, zoom out a bit, space bar into my front orthographic. I'm just gonna move it up. I'm not gonna touch this line. Right around here maybe. Click outside. I moved it. Yeah. See, that's our line right there. Space bar, space bar. I think that should do it. Right click object mode. Select the bottom cube, press H. Grab that, press E as in Edward. I just know where our front is. Alright. So that's what that is for now. So that's 15 minutes. Alright, so that's the end of this tutorial. I think next I'm going to go into the bevels, which is, it won't be too much of a headache. Okay, bye.